A domestic violence conviction can strip you of your right to possess or own a firearm, but this loss isn't always permanent. If you're looking to restore your gun rights in Indiana, the process can be complex, and it's crucial to understand the necessary steps. The first step is determining eligibility. If your conviction was a misdemeanor, you may apply for restoration 5 years after your conviction. For felonies, you'll need to petition the court to reduce your charge to a misdemeanor or expunge your conviction before you can proceed. Next, you must file a petition with the court where your conviction occurred. The court will review several factors, such as whether you've completed any required programs and if you still pose a threat. If the court is convinced of your rehabilitation, they may restore your rights. However, if denied, you must wait 1 year before reapplying. Taking steps to secure your gun rights again is not something to try to achieve alone. You need an experienced hand to guide you through the legal process of Indiana gun rights restoration. The Indiana attorneys at Keffer Hirschauer have extensive experience restoring gun rights and can guide you every step of the way. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you regain your Second Amendment rights.